What's going on, folks? It's been a hot minute since I recorded a video that wasn't a short, at least. You probably don't even recognize this room that I'm in because I've still been working on it, just not videoing anything. I kind of changed my mind about how I wanted to finish it out in here. And turn it around. You see, I got insulation in all the walls. And instead of hanging up metal siding or wood siding, I decided to get this painter's canvas and just cover the walls with that. Saw Kyle's cabin, he was using the same kind of stuff on the roof ceiling of one of his cabins. I was like, that's not a bad idea for a room that I really don't give a fat fart about, you know. I want it to be neat in here, but it ain't got to be fancy or anything. I just, you know, to serve my purpose of being like an office and a sit down room, or, you know, somewhere to sit the kids and let them watch TV and stay out of my hair while I'm working in the shop. It's gonna serve that purpose. And I've already added a few fixtures in here, like I refurbished this here cabinet somebody gave me, and this bookshelf. It was in my loft. I had to pull it down and clean it up, hit it all with the torch, and then some oil protecting stuff. I hit that with oil. I think I stained that with some early American men wax, I think. Cleaned up that refrigerator. It was in here when we bought the property. My stepson had that futon. He had to have that, and then didn't like it, so it got put out here in my way, and somebody gave me that heater and air conditioner. It's all gonna work out in here, but I'm about to hang that on the wall, and I gotta get some more for the ceiling because I'm about out of the canvas. But it's coming along, and I'm being summoned. So if you're interested to see how this all works out, like and share, subscribe. Have a good one.